So today we are talking about basal and bolus insulin. So basal insulin, this is Tojiofamida, is like a superhero that stays in the body all day, all night. और ये आप it keeps your sugar level steady. जब आप खाना नहीं भी खा रहे, like during sleep or quiet times, ये background में काम करता रहता है basal. Bolus insulin is like a helper. Novorapid. Quickly तब आता है जब आप खाना खा रहे हैं, helping to stop the sugar from going too high after meals, like ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच और डिनर के बाद. अब ये जो बेसल इंसुलिन है जो बैकग्राउंड में चलती है वो बहुत स्लोली काम करती है एंड ऑल द टाइम लाइक अ जेंटल शील्ड, keeping your blood sugars from raising too high when not eating. Like it's like a safety net that never sleeps. It's needed to stay healthy overnight and between the meals. ऑन द अदर हैंड जो बोलस इंसुलिन होती है वो फास्ट होती है, स्ट्रांग होती है और वो जंप करती है व्हेनेवर फूड इज ईटन टू कैच द शुगर स्पाइक्स एंड कीप थिंग्स बैलेंस्ड. सो इट इज यूज राइट बिफोर और विद मील्स, ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच और स्नैक के टाइम पे आपका बोलस यूज होता है सो दैट इट कैन क्विकली हेल्प व्हेन शुगर गोज अप आफ्टर ईटिंग. Parents know that the child needs bolus insulin when they are about to eat, especially आपका जब वो breakfast, lunch, dinner कर रहे हैं, so that body can handle the sugar that comes from the food. लेकिन children also need extra bolus insulin if their blood sugar is rising too high, which can be checked with blood glucose meter or monitors. तो signs of bolus insulin कि कब bolus insulin चाहिए? When you are eating any food, especially the meals or snacks. Second, if blood sugar goes above the target range, like after eating अगर बहुत ज़्यादा target range से बाहर जा रहे हैं तो correction dose देनी पड़ती है. When the doctor or diabetes team recommends extra insulin to bring down a high blood glucose level. So those are the three things when you give bolus. Now children need basal insulin every day to keep their sugar levels steady when they are not eating, even while sleeping or playing quietly. They do need basal. So basal insulin is given at regular times, usually once or twice a day, and is not tied to the meals. वो meals के साथ नहीं दी जाती, right? Signs of basal insulin given every day at a set time, usually in the mornings or evenings. It's not related to eating. So it's needed when sleeping or in between meals to keep blood sugar levels from rising. तो वो ये meal के साथ नहीं दी जाती. By keeping a simple routine of bolus with meal, snacks, basal at scheduled times, we can help our children to manage blood sugars healthy all day and all night. If you found this information helpful, do share with parents who need to hear this out.